Hello guys, today we'll discuss about interest on drawings and partnership accounts. Let us first understand what is interest on drawings. Partners are charged interest at an agreed rate on the money withdrawn from business for personal use. That's called interest on drawings. Interest on drawings can be calculated differently in different scenarios. The first case is interest on drawings is given in the question. The figure is mentioned in the question. In that case, no calculation is required. Straight away that amount is put on the credit side of PL appropriation account and on the debit side of partner's current account if it is a fixed capital method, and partner's capital account if it is a fluctuating capital method. Second case can be amount of drawings and rate of interest are given. In that case, we need to calculate interest on drawings. Suppose the drawings given is 6,000 rupees during the year and the rate of interest on drawings is 6% per annum. In that case, interest on drawings would be 6% of 6,000 into 6 by 12, which is 180 rupees. If no date is mentioned, then the average number of months is taken as 6. If the date is mentioned when the drawing was made, then we can calculate the number of months from the date of drawing till the last date of the financial year. One point to be noted here, if the per annum word is not used along with the interest on drawings rate, in that case no time period is considered. Interest on drawings will be 6% of 6,000, which is 360 rupees. Now let us talk about random drawings in unequal amounts. Here the drawings are made on different dates and the amounts are also different. As you can see on the screen, the first drawing was made on 1st April 2019. The amount withdrawn was 1000. Second was made on 30th June. The amount withdrawn was 2000. Then on 31st October, 1000 was withdrawn. And on 1st Jan, rupees 3000 were withdrawn. In this case, what we need to do first is calculate the number of months for which this money was utilized in the current financial year. If you take the year end to be 31st March 2020, the first drawing was utilized for 12 months, second for 9 months, third for 5 months, and the fourth one was utilized for 3 months. Then we need to calculate the product of this duration and the amount withdrawn and the summation of that. So total we get is 44,000. The rate of interest on drawings is considered to be 6% per annum. Then we get the interest on drawings as 6% of 44,000 into 1 by 12, which gives us 220. 1 by 12 is the average number of months because we've already multiplied the number of months with the amount withdrawn. The next scenario that we have is monthly drawings in equal amounts. Here the partner makes a monthly drawing of a fixed amount and the rate of interest on drawings is also given in the question. Here we have taken it as 6% per annum. The first scenario that we can have here is the partner is withdrawing the amount at the beginning of every month. The average number of months taken is 6.5. How are we arriving at this figure? We have discussed that at the end of this video. So the interest on drawings comes to 1000 into 12, which is the total drawing during the year, multiplied by 6%, the rate of interest, into 6.5 by 12. That gives us 390 as the interest on drawings. In the mid of every month, if the partner withdraws, the average taken is 6 months. Interest on drawings comes to 1000 into 12 into 6% per annum into 6 by 12, which is 360 rupees. If the partner withdraws at the end of every month, the average taken is 5.5 months. Interest on drawings is 1000 into 12 into 6% into 5.5 by 12, and which gives us 330 as the interest on drawings. So as you can see, everything else remains the same, only the monthly average changes in each case. The next scenario that we have is quarterly drawings in equal amounts. Here the partner withdraws every quarter a fixed amount. The rate of interest we have taken as 6% per annum. So if the partner withdraws at the beginning of every quarter, the average taken is 7.5 months. Interest on drawings in that case will be 1000 into 4, which is 4000 total drawing during the year, multiplied by 6% multiplied by 7.5 by 12, which gives 150 as the interest on drawings. If the partner withdraws mid of every quarter, the average taken is 6 months. Interest on drawings in that case will be 1000 into 4 into 6% into 6 by 12, which is 120 rupees. And if the partner withdraws at the end of every quarter, average taken is 4.5 months. Interest on drawings in that case comes to 1000 into 4 into 6% into 4.5 by 12, which is 90 rupees. So same thing here as well, just a little change in the calculation. The next scenario that we have is monthly drawings in equal amounts for a period of 6 months. This generally happens when it's a newly set up business and it has operated for a period of 6 months in the current financial year. In this case also, the monthly drawing amount is taken as 1000 rupees and the rate of interest on drawings is 6% per annum. If the partner withdraws at the beginning of every month, the average taken is 3.5 months. Interest on drawings will be 1000 into 6, which is total drawing during the year, multiplied by 6% into 3.5 by 12, which is 105. In the mid of every month, if the partner is withdrawing, the average taken is 3 months. Interest on drawings is 1000 into 6 into 6% into 3 by 12, which is 90 rupees. And at the end of every month, if the partner withdraws, the average taken is 2.5 months. Interest on drawings in that case is 1000 into 6 into 6% into 2.5 by 12, which is rupees 75. Here I have summarized everything that we discussed so far, a table that helps you to learn everything easily. Monthly drawings, quarterly drawings, and monthly drawings for 6 months. Next, we have the calculations. How are we arriving at those average figures? First, we have to understand the date of the first drawing and then the date of the last drawing. Then we calculate the duration, the number of months the first amount withdrawn was utilized in the current financial year, and the number of months the last withdrawn amount was utilized in the current financial year. And then we find the average of those two numbers. Very easy to understand. So in this case, beginning of every month, the first drawing was made on 1st April, used for 12 months, and the last drawing made on 1st March, used for 1 month. That gives us an average of 6.5 months. Similarly, mid of every month, the drawing will be made on 15th April, used for 11.5 months, and 15th March, used for zero point 0.5 months. So average comes to 6 months. If it is withdrawn at the end of every month, first drawing will be made on 30th April, used for 11 months in the current period, and the last drawing made on 31st March, used for zero number of months because it's the last day of the financial year. So average comes to 5.5 months. If the drawings are done quarterly, the first drawing is made on the first day of the first quarter, which is 1st April 2019, used for 12 months, and the last drawing is made on first day of the last quarter, which is 1st Jan, used for 3 months. So average comes to 7.5 months. If it is done mid of every quarter, first drawing will be on 15th May, used for 10.5 months, and last drawing on 15th Feb, used for 1.5 months. So the average comes to 6 months. End of every quarter, first drawing will be done on 30th June, used for 9 months, last drawing on 31st March, again which is the last day of the financial year, for 0 months. Average comes to 4.5 months. Beginning of every month for 6 months, if the drawings are made, suppose the business started on 1st October. The first drawing is made on 1st October. It's used for 6 months. The last drawing made on 1st March, used for 1 month. The average comes to 3.5 months. If the drawings are made mid of every month, the first drawing made on 15th October, used for 5.5 months. The last drawing made on 15th March, used for zero point 0.5 months. So average comes to 3 months. End of every month, if drawings are made, first drawing made on 31st October, used for 5 months, last drawing made on 31st March, used for 0 month. So average comes to 2.5 months. I hope these calculations will make your life easier, make your understanding easier, and you will understand the concept behind interest on drawings. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch up in another video with another topic.